Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we will do one numerical problem which is related to creep phenomena. So this question is very important and this question is basically related from Larson-Miller parameter. So this formula is very important and sometimes people do mistakes while putting the values, while putting the units in this type of questions. Okay, so that's why I have taken this question. So this question is a component is expected to last for a minimum of 5 years at 850 degrees centigrade. So assuming Larson-Miller constant to be 46, so this Larson-Miller constant is given. I will tell you what is Larson-Miller constant. So they are asking the magnitude of Larson-Miller parameter. Okay, so this is the question. So how to remember the Larson-Miller parameter formula? So for remembering this formula, I will tell you one concept. So you can remember like that formula which is related to this Larson-Miller parameter, and how to remember this formula, I will tell you one concept. So you can remember the formula by this formula, that is PTCT. Okay, so what is this PTCT? PTCT is basically P is equals to T and this C is constant, okay, plus ln of T. So this formula is basically P is equals to T C plus ln T. Okay, so what is this P, what is this T, what are these terms saying? Okay, so I will tell you one by one. So P is basically Larson Miller parameter, and this Larson Miller parameter is basically for this temperature and at this time, at this temperature for this much time. Okay, so this T is temperature, and always we will take this temperature in Kelvin here whenever we will be using this formula. C is some constant and this constant is known as Larson Miller constant. Okay, so this constant is known as Larson Miller constant. So Larson Miller constant value will be 46. Okay, if we are taking this ln, if we will take log, so that value will be 20. Okay, so this C is Larson Miller constant and this T is basically rupture time, and this you can write like that, time to rupture. Okay, so time to rupture we need to take in hours. Okay, so these are the units we will take and these are the terms here in this formula used. Okay, so accordingly we will take the units, otherwise this question will be wrong. We will get wrong answers for this type of question. Okay, so what is the value given here, I will tell you one by one. So this question is a component is expected to last for a minimum of 5 years. So this time is given, that is 5 years, but we need to take this in hours, so we will change it into hours. So in 5 years we have 365 days multiplied by 24 hours. Okay, so this T value will be equals to 43800 in hours. Okay, so we change this time into hours from years. Okay, and the time is temperature is also given, that is 850 degrees centigrade, and we will change it into Kelvin. So this temperature will be approximate 1123 Kelvin. Okay, now they are saying assuming Larson Miller constant means C value is also given, so C value is 46. Okay, so if they will not give the C value, we can assume our at our own. Okay, so now we will put these values here in this formula. So we need to find the Larson Miller parameter, means P value we need to find. So P is equals to temperature is 1123 Kelvin, C value is given, that is 46, and ln of T means 43800. So from here we will get 112346, ln 43800 value will be equals to 10.687, and from here we will get this P is equals to 1123 and that will be equals to 56687, and P value will be equals to 63659.93. Okay, and also for making this into this form, we can write like that, 63.66 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. This is Larson Miller parameter, and this C part is correct for this question. So C is correct answer for this type of this question. Okay, and you need to remember this unit, like temperature should be in Kelvin and time should be in hours. Okay, and this C value will be 46 if we are taking this as ln. Okay, Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this question and hope you have learned something new in this video. We'll come with more questions in our upcoming videos. Please try to put your problems on our Instagram page. We will solve those questions one by one. Thank you.